I'm just getting started here by placing these nice juicy chicken thighs right into the bottom of my baking dish. Oh, these are gonna be so good. I'm just gonna pack them in there. We are feeding a whole crew tonight. Oh, this easy dinner is so delicious. These are looking great. Moving right along here, you wanna grab yourself a bowl. We're gonna start off with some mayo. Yes, you wanna add about a half of a cup to a cup of mayo right in there. That looks great. I have a 5-ounce size of plain yogurt, so we'll just go ahead, dump that in there as well. That's a great addition to that mayonnaise. This chicken is gonna be so creamy. Of course, we need to add some Parmesan cheese. So go ahead, grab yourself some shredded Parmesan cheese. Oh, I'm a little tongue-tied today. And go ahead and add about a cup of Parmesan cheese right in with the rest of that. We are gonna follow it up with a ranch packet. Bam, there we go. Yes, some cheesy ranch chicken. Ooh, that is what's on the menu for tonight. So we have a little bit of mayo, we have some of that plain yogurt, we have Parmesan cheese, and the ranch seasoning packet. Now just mix that all up. Look at how creamy that is. Ooh, I can smell the ranch in here. It's gonna go good with those juicy chicken thighs. Oh my goodness, when this bakes together, it is phenomenal. So we are looking all mixed up over here, creamy, cheesy, and delicious. We'll go ahead and put this right on top of these chicken thighs, just plumping out all of that creamy goodness. Oh, mixed together with that. Ooh, this is going to be so creamy and juicy, this ranch chicken. And when this Parmesan cheese bakes over top, oh my gosh, it's gonna get golden brown, have a nice crispiness on the outside. It is so easy to prepare and whip together. Oh gosh, I am getting so hungry right now. Just thinking about this, I just wanna make sure those two are coated nicely at the top. All right, there we go. To make this even better, I have some green onion here. So I'm gonna get some hefty amount of green onion because I love it. I think it goes so good with the Parmesan and the ranch. Now, I did think about maybe adding some spice to this, maybe some crushed red pepper, but I wasn't sure if everybody that was partaking in the dish would like that. Is that something that you would do? Just so you know, I have done it that way and it is really great like that. I do like adding some crushed red pepper, so if you want a little bit of spice, I would recommend that. But like I said, it depends who you're cooking it for, and you know, maybe you're having a crowd over that isn't much of a spicy crowd and wouldn't enjoy that. So just use your best. Use your best thought, use your best
judgment.
Yeah, use your best judgment. All right, thank you, David. I need you for so many things in my life. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for probably about 40 minutes, and stick around. It is going to be juicy, cheesy, and delicious. Yummy. Wow, look at that, looks phenomenal. We've got some creamy ranch Parmesan chicken thighs. Ooh, they smell so good. Look at the way that that Parmesan just kind of crisped over the top. Oh, I can tell it's just so tender. Look at that. Oh, that Parmesan cheese right there with that chicken. Let's get that right here. Oh, I'm just gonna scoop some of that Parmesan, put that right on top. Oh, all right. Okay, well, David, I know that you really were asking for this, so I'm gonna let you come over here and give it a try. All right, David loves chicken thighs, so I cannot wait to get his opinion on these. All right, babe, come over here and dig right into this. Careful, it might be a little bit hot, but oh, look at that, it just, oh, wow. So juicy and tender. What do you think?
Delicious.
Yes, that sauce is the best. Bomb.com. It smells and it even tastes even better. I hope you guys love this easy dinner. It was super fast to whip together. Bake in the oven, no worries. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna add into this dish, if you're gonna change it in any way, and I hope you enjoy it. We'll see you guys later.